You're watching Midday on WCBI.
It is a great time to celebrate downtown Columbus. I'm joined by Emily Liner, the owner of Friendly City Books, with more on the upcoming spring open house. First, just give us the basic details. What do we need to know?
Yeah, we're really excited to be part of the Downtown Spring Open House. It's going to take place all day Friday and Saturday. You can say 10 to 5 for most of our participating merchants. 17 shops and restaurants will be participating. And the most exciting part of this whole weekend is the Easter Bunny will be in Leadership Plaza from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. for pictures. Bring your own camera, but it's totally free to take pictures with the Easter Bunny.
That's awesome. Every parent out there wants those, spring pictures. So come dressed up and then come ready to explore downtown Columbus. A lot of exciting things happening at all the vendors that are participating. Tell us about some of the fun things people can expect.
Yeah, many of us are doing sales and special promotions. We also have door prizes going on. So make sure that you stop in, and Main Street Columbus will be collecting entries for the door prizes. So you can win anything from free coffee to we're going to do free books and a gift card. There will be gift cards to restaurants downtown like Harvey's. So there will be a really wide variety, some gift baskets, but we have many different types of prizes and different types of vendors that are participating.
Yeah, shops and restaurants, as you mentioned. Why is it so important to shop local and to check these places out?
Yeah, it puts money back into our community so that small businesses in Columbus can continue to grow. And we have it enables us to support our employees, to have more offerings for everyone here in downtown Columbus. And I also just wanted to mention too that as part of the downtown open house, we are actually going to have we have books on sale at Friendly City Books. We've been a member since November 2020, so we have been doing this during COVID the entire time. This is really our first opportunity since COVID set in that we can really celebrate, walk around downtown, and visit with each other inside of our shop.
So come take advantage of it. Great weather for it too. There's real quick the information all day Friday and Saturday at columbusmainstreet.com. Emily, thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
We'll be right back.